Hello YouTube, just letting you know that had an issue with one of the tires. This is the tire we're having an issue with. It took a lot to get it balanced. So what I did was jack the vehicle up and put a block of wood that's got pretty straight edge on it and set it away from the tire down there, and then I put the vehicle in neutral, or the truck in neutral, and spun the tire. And the reason we had so much trouble balancing this, and it's got quite a bit of weight on it, is because it's actually out of round, which is causing a vibration. So I filled out a warranty card on their website, and I got this one. So this does happen even on brand new tires that have not been remanufactured or remolded. So hopefully this one's okay, and that'll take care of my vibration issue back in the back of this truck here, because it's pretty far out around. I mean, it pretty much kicked that board about 1.5 inches away when I spun it around. So, but their customer service was real good. Told them about my issue, filled out everything I needed to fill out online, and then a week later this showed up. So hopefully this Friday we will have this on the truck, and hopefully it'll take care of our vibration issue. The other 3 tires have been just fine. I'm not noticing any vibration in the steering wheel or anything like that. I have noticed they are a bit noisy, but it could be because it's just this one here making noise because it's out of round. It seems like most of the noise is coming from back here. So that might be what I'm hearing. So we will have an update video, and I'll get some more miles on these, and then I'll let you know what I think about them. And like I said, I'm not paid by these guys. I purchased these myself. So I just wanted to let you know that they have very good customer service. Just filled out the warranty online. Showed him a picture of the paperwork of the place I had installed and balanced, and they sent out another one. So if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. I will have more updates on these once I get this one on, but I did have one that is out of round, which happens in the molding process every once in a while. So like I said, please like and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, because that really helps out the channel. So everybody have a wonderful and great day.